30 तुझे लीफ लीफस मज पढ़े गोथी अमुक डेफिनिशन लीफ क्या गो तम पतन दोयम चीज पढ़े अम पतन तुझे स्ट्रक्चर या मॉर्फोलॉजी ऑफ लीफ या पार्ट्स ऑफ लीफ तम पतन पढ़े मज वेनेशन पढ़े तम पतन तुझे टाइप्स ऑफ लीफ टाइप्स ऑफ लीव्स ये पढ़े तो ओतान पढ़े मगर टाइप्स ऑफ लीव्स तम सात वे मे लीफ अत two types. One is called as simple leaf, second is called as compound leaf. Compound leaf. And leaf it is of two types. Rach padayasi. When I got the cheese and leaf show, you should classify don groupan mas karan. As don type and mazan ekishistan one is called as simple leaf, other is called as compound leaf. The simple leaf is पढ़े डिटेल्स मज मे वन लीफ अत लीफस मिडल मज लैमिना या मार्जिन ऑफ लैमिना कुछ सात हावन इंसिजन कुछ सात हावन इंसिजन तो कुछ सात इंसिजन हावन कह तो अगर ने इंसिजन मामूली हाय या हाय नहीं कह तथ दैट इज कॉल्ड एज सिंपल लीफ ठीक तो पतन कंपाउंड लीफ तो मे वन ये मार्जिन लैमिना या लीफ ब्लेड यह हावन इंसिजन इन दिस मैनर इंसिजन तथ अंदाज मज यह बराबर वातन मिड रिब ओतान या पीटीओस ताम वातन कुछ सातन जस्ट लाइक दिस इत पे बनान इट फॉर्म्स लीफलेट्स यह बनान लीफलेट्स यह पढ़े रात ओतान तो अत यम सात इंसिजन हाय तो ये मिड रिब ओतान कर इंसिजन टच तो लीफ गज डिवाइड इनटू वेरियस स्मॉल लीफ लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स यमन लीफ लेट्स वन या पिनश वन तो तम सात तथ लीफस वन कंपाउंड लीफ तो पत वन ये कंपाउंड लीफ यह दो किस्म नंबर वन मे पिन्नेटली कंपाउंड लीफ पिन्नेटली कंपाउंड लीफ वन मे तो दोयम वन मे palmately compound leaf and मे वन ये कंपाउंड लीफ क्लासिफाई कर दोन ग्रुपन मज एक पिनेटली कंपाउंड लीफ तो बे palmately पिनेटली गो यम सात ये मार्जिन ऑफ लैमिना या लीफ ब्लेड यम सात ये डिवाइड गसन तो यह टच कर मिड रिब तो मिड रिब अत ब्या नाम सो कॉल्ड एज रैट्स RACHIS rats and it is also called as rats RACHIS and if you have कुछ साथ देखिए point entrance the mid rib is also known as that is called as rats RACHIS rats वो ये incision यम साथ ये तथ अंदाज़ मज क्या incision ये मार्जिन डिवाइड बराबर कर टच मिड रिब या रैट्स तम साथ बन स्मॉल लीफ लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स तिम स्पिनच वन तथ कंपाउंड लीफ वन पिनेटली कंपाउंड लीफ तो पत वन मे रात पिनेटली कंपाउंड लीफ पे टू टाइप रात वन मे इम्पेरिपिनेट तो ब्या वन पेरिपिनेट इम्पेरिपिनेट वन मे यम सात नंबर ऑफ लीफलेट्स ऑड ये वन मे रात यम सात जन नंबर ऑफ लीफलेट्स ऑड यानी ऑड नंबर तो चाहे 3 5 7 9 10 ऑड नंबर विल बी सो दैट टाइप ऑफ पिनेटली कंपाउंड लीफ इज कॉल्ड एज इम्पेरिपिनेट वन मे रात तो अगर कुछ मज वन नंबर इवन 2 4 6 8 10 लीफलेटन तथ पेरिपिनेट डिटेल्स में पेरिपिनेट दैट इज कॉल्ड एज पेरिपिनेट पत वन ये पिनेटली कंपाउंड फर्दर क्लासिफाई कर यूनिपिनेट अगर लीफलेट गराइज bipinnate, leaflet gets arise, tripinnate or multipinnate, depending how many number of leaflets will get arise at each point. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So one is on I think palmatory compound leaf. It is in palmatory agar shows mani voice palm means hand, yeah, fingers.
Yes, sir.
And using your leaf as compound palmatory compound leaf, after this come, you should also using the tip of the petiole also. This is petiole, tip of the petioles potentially leaf arises. Yeah, leaflets arises. And using your palmatory compound leaf shoe, after incision pathology, the leaflets using tip of the petiole. This is called as tip of petiole. I think leaflets arise. The image figures banan just fingers of hand, yeah, it becomes hand structure. Palmatory compound leaf. Clear? The palmatory compound leaf, yes, leaflets arise at the tip of petiole. The image figure gets just hand, yeah, fingers. The palmatory compound leaf is further classified into various types, depending upon the number of leaflets arising from the petiole. And as the palmatory compound leaf, it is classified various types. It should depend on leaflets. The one is called as unifoliate. First is called as unifoliate. Unifoliate is palmatory compound leaf. Yet some single leaflet at the base of petiole. Single leaflet. Halaki single leaflet actually 3 leaflets. But the base reduce. Size reduce. Leaflet single leaflet. This is called as unifoliate. I say limu. I say unifoliate leaf. Limu. And the limu plant is true, that was unifoliate. The cancer was bifoliate. Bifoliate. The cancer was trifoliate. Go inside the leaflets that we call as bifoliate. Agar Tranarian, that is called as trifolium. Agar plant is trifolium. That's the leaflets arise one is trifolium. Why it doesn't leaflets trifoliate. To another variant, more than one, then it is called as multifoliate. That is called as multifoliate. And then more than 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 number of leaflets, so it will be called as multifoliate palmatory compound leaf. Well, as a nutshell, the palmatory compound leaf should leaf as a compound leaf, yes, on the tip of the petiole as a true, that's the arise leaflets. But one area unifoliate, area bifoliate, trifoliate, and so on, multifoliate. That example is silk cotton. Silk cotton NCR that has palmatory compound leaf. Example is silk cotton. It has palmatory compound leaf. NCR entrance question exams example of palmatory compound leaf. So that's why if particular leaf compound leaf classified into 2 types. One is called as pinnately compound leaf, other is called as palmatory compound leaf. Palmatory corresponds further unifoliate, bifoliate, trifoliate, and multifoliate. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Wo types of leaf. And what is using a leaf awesome. Now what is the leaf? You should have stem pattern, yeah, branch pattern.
Yes, sir.
It's a node awesome. The yard that's the system awesome. At Petrasan node and internode. Is a node is called as node.
Yes, sir.
I mean node pattern should leaf arise.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
The once you leaf is on true, stem per gas arise, young gas branch per arise. And the leaves are emerging from stem. Yeah, on left. The leaves are arising on stem or on branch. And if you arise on stem or branch on nodes. In nodes, चाहे stem flash present या ये branch exercise present, you should exercise leaf arise गसन. तो ये leaf हम साथ में कैसे कोई exercise आँख node exercise डाल पर अपने node पर है कि leaves leaves है ना? मतलब for example this is plant, that person these are nodes, ये node पर कैसे leaf arise, ये पर कैसे leaf arise, ये पर कैसे leaf arise. तो ये मन leaf हन होंड arrangement क्या है? आठ stems पर या branch पर. And the leaves arise from stem cut ya branch or node. So you arrangement that is called as phyllotaxy. That is called as phyllotaxy. And a phyllotaxy issue phenomena is a refer current arrangement it refers to arrangement of leaves on stem or on branch. And is in here phyllotaxy so phenomena we can say that we can define this phyllotaxy as the arrangement of leaves or on stems or on branches. Yeah, it may also be defined as distribution. Distribution of leaves. Arrangement. Distribution of leaves on stem or on branches is called as phyllotaxy. Good as I said, phyllotaxy is a phenomenon which refers to arrangement or distribution of leaves on stem or on branch. And as in your stem show, a stem is the leaves arise from nodes. You want arrangement that is called as phyllotaxy. The phyllotaxy is classified into various types depending upon the arrangement of leaves. So the phyllotaxy is of three types. And the arrangement of leaves on stem or branch, it is of three types and three patterns. First is called as alternate phyllotaxy. First is called as alternate phyllotaxy. Second is called as opposite phyllotaxy. Third is called as vernal phyllotaxy. And it's the arrangement or distribution of leaves. It is phyllotaxy. It may be of three types. One is called as alternate phyllotaxy. Second is called as opposite phyllotaxy. Third is called as vernal phyllotaxy. So, come show see alternate phyllotaxy. We're supposed to discuss this. Alternate phyllotaxy. Suppose this is stem or branch. This is stem. So these are nodes. These are nodes. These are nodes.
Yes.
Yim chapter nodes asan. Gasan kashkam. Yim satan leaf nearan chu. Yishu unsa yim patan o pati. Yodra yim patan dra node pati yim side. Yim side down kya balki yim side down leaf emerge. Ite patan yim side mo leaf emerge. Wo achis right side now is node. Yim right side down leaf. Your left down kya ya it's left right down ki. Wo yim satan alternately leaf gets emerge or arise from the node on stem. This is called as alternate phyllotaxy. Yeah, this is also called as spiral. In an alternate, phyllotaxy is called as spiral phyllotaxy. Spiral phyllotaxy. Spiral agar tu agar you watch that last one, spiral arrangement. Yeah, this is also called as cyclic. It's also called as cyclic phyllotaxy. Go as an alternate phyllotaxy. You know one node per yam side, Japan key, Patner one side, Japan key, Patner alternately. Right side A, nodes per back side A key. Back side key. वो arrangement system alternate arrangement. यानी phyllotaxy क्या होना alternate वो alternate phyllotaxy क्या होना when leaves arise from the node of stem in alternate manner, in alternate arrangement. When leaves arise from nodes alternately, it is of the stem. It is called as alternate phyllotaxy. So, it is also called as spiral phyllotaxy. Yeah, cycle. Spring pattern. Spiral and spring pattern. Again, circle. Cyclic phyllotaxy. So, cyclic phyllotaxy again and example is China rose. And example that is called as China rose. Example. And अगर ऐसे मोड़ इसको spiral phyllotaxy, and this example लिखते हैं number 1 China rose, number 2 mustard plant, number 3 is sunflower. Go third example in NCR test पर दिख चुका है alternate phyllotaxy लिखते हैं number 1 China rose, number 2 mustard plant, number 3 sunflower. ये मतलब अगर तो इश्क़ ये मतलब alternate phyllotaxy या spiral or cyclic phyllotaxy. तो दो ही निशान चु दो ही उनमें second is called as opposite phyllotaxy. Second उनमें opposite phyllotaxy. Suppose this is stem, these are the nodes. Go inside leaves arise. Inside gets leaf arise. Inside gets leaf arise. Inside oppositely leaves is nodes pattern oppositely arise just like this. It is called as opposite phyllotaxy. When leaves arise from nodes on both sides of the nodes. This is called as opposite phyllotaxy. What is called as opposite phyllotaxy? The opposite phyllotaxy is I mean example अगर लिखते हैं calotropis. Example अगर लिखते हैं one is called as calotropis. Calotropis. Second is Gawa. Second plant is Gawa, and these are instances that CR test predicted. So, we use the example. Example of opposite phyllotaxy. Go to phyllotaxy. Go in stem asan to node spectra. Dashvita leaf arises on opposite sides of it is called as opposite. The opposite phyllotaxy is each has like a switch. Opposite phyllotaxy is each has like a switch. Opposite superposure. As you can see, our especially this one is called as opposite superposure. Second is called as opposite decussate. There is an opposite phyllotaxy. This is further classified into two types. One is called as opposite superposure, other is called as opposite decussate. NCR especially is when such we come anything. After arrangement, opposite or superposure. Superposure means you don't want to be a citizen. After some practice, any andaz back here, practice back here. They are superposing one about the other. They are superposed. One pair is superposed by another, that is superposed by another. What is called as superposed opposite phyllotaxy. This is decussation. Decussation is again, suppose stem. This is node, this is node. Go inside leaf area, leaf area, opposite, just like this. At right angles to the first pair. The next case, using the one pair to the pair, arise so as at right angles to the first pair.
Yes, sir.
What that is called as opposite decussation. In opposite decussation, what happens? The second pair of leaves which arise from the second node, that is at right angles to the first pair.
Yes, sir.
At right angles to the first pair, this one is called as decussate. What is called as opposite phyllotaxy. The third type of phyllotaxy, that is called as vertical. That is called as vertical phyllotaxy. Vertical means in node pattern, suppose stem, I think node pattern more than 3 or 4 leaves arise. Suppose you have a leaf, you have a back 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 leaf. You have a vertical. It's but flower flower agar yaad aise flowers using sepals, petals, circle vertical. Vertical of sepals, vertical of petals, leaves circles. So node to leaf arise and node pattern. When leaves arise from all the sides of a node, it forms a circular structure. So such type of phyllotaxy is called as vertical phyllotaxy. The example of this example is an NCR that is called as Aristonia. Aristonia plant of Aristonia. So a phyllotaxy is one vertical phyllotaxy. I can node pattern more than 4 or 5 leaves arise. Then banana circle of vertical phyllotaxy. So this was all about phyllotaxy. So why your leaf is untrue due to certain conditions. Citrus conditions, leaf modification.
Yes, sir.
अगर याद है रूटस स्टेमस अबो स्टेमस प्राइमरी रोल लीफस प्राइमरी रोल रूटस वो इथे लीफस प्राइमरी रोल फंक्शन पता मॉडिफिकेशन फंक्शंस तो फंक्शंस हमने अगर तो याद है रूट पढ़ लो या स्टेम पढ़ लो मतलब फंक्शन दो किस्म के अब नेसेसरी फंक्शन या प्राइमरी फंक्शन बागो सेकेंडरी फंक्शन प्राइमरी फंक्शन लेट अस First we will take primary function. Primary functions means क्या है? Photosynthesis. First function is that is photosynthesis. So we have one there is a leaf it is green, broad structure. It carries or performs photosynthetic plants and make food for them. But as a one function is an that is called as photosynthesis. So the function is अगर तो याद आए anatomy of leaf, anatomy of stem, anatomy of leaf in outer tissue epidermis. The mostly lower epidermis is puncturing opening present minute pore that is stomata. The stomata is as leaf stomata, stoma, stomata. Mostly lower epidermis at present. The stomata the function of transpiration, they go gaseous exchange. Magar, leafers go functions of leaf action. They carry transpiration. In transpiration from the process loss of water in the form of vapors. And transpiration is defined as process which involves loss of water in the form of vapors. So this is a leafy stomata, but stomata is present in leaf.
Yes, sir.
The main function that is gaseous exchange. gaseous exchange. हालांकि ये चीज गसन हम स्टोमेटा की बट स्टोमेटा इज प्रेजेंट ऑन द लेवल epidermis of leaf host
Yes, sir.
गो लिहाजा इस वनो ये gaseous exchange also takes place through leaves.
Yes.
So these are the primary three functions. Number one, photosynthesis. Number two, transpiration. Number third, gaseous exchange. कुछ साथन जो question में exams में आते what are the primary functions of leaf? तम साथन जो सारे function लेकिन तम सारे जो necessary function of leaf का निशान तम शासन वो जितने में they are three. तो वो कुछ साथन leaf कुछ साथ तम condition क्या सन environment में मिसाल के तौर पर stress शो scarcity of water शो temperature शो वारिया है या बाकी stress conditions शो तम साथन जो leafs modification गसन ये modification गैसे इस तम साथन additional functional carry कर and during modification it carries additional functions या वो secondary functions या वो मेक्सन secondary functions additional function लिखो या secondary function इस तरह से secondary function तम साथ क्या कहते हैं modification वो मैं वन during stress या बाकी conditions it depends upon the environment तो आप मतलब कि modification गसन structural change गसन तो गोडनिची change गसन कम यम जन ये तिमन ऐसे have zero condition exercise scarcity of water या deserts में तक scarcity of water आबच कमी तथन दोयम चीज टेम्परेचर वारिया हाई तथन लीफ गसन reduce गसन into size and it forms small spine like structures spines it forms spines example अगर याद है cactus अगर मैं cactus for example example open shea open shea open shea stem modify to leaf like structure leaf reduce that's one spine like structure it helps to reduce water loss because spine it reduces water loss additional function I'm certain loss of water is reduced scarcity of water temperature is high stress go assistance called as spine this is a modification I'm talking spine कोई साथ में grazing animals पाकन अगर ये plant लोग तम खेना तम मकान तम कर डैमेज तम साथ करने ये thorns बनाओ या hard spines बनाओ या thorns में कंड हिश बनाओ तम cactus में तम कंड ही they are called as thorns वो तम साथ modify leaf गसन या change गसन into thorns so it protects them from grazing animals and it modifies into thorns and protects plant from grazing animals it's back additional function when साथ गसन काम ये plants मतलब pterophytes ये plants तिमन पे जो लीफ आसन लीफ के बॉल पे at leafs पे जो knots आसन या apex या margins even marginal पे बड़ से arise those for example a form of adentum form of adentum ये form of ये leaf आसन जो इनके margins पे नेरन buds तो यमन बड़न चिसन adventitious buds these are called as adventitious क्या है अपन हर buds नेरन from stem buds नेरन कम पे stem पर node पे arise गसन ये वो leaf पे that's also adventitious buds तो ये leaf इंसान detach गसन पे वो पाथर कहाँ पर ज़मीन पर यमन मेरे moisture यम adventitious buds नए roots बनाम तो उन्होंने adventitious या किम नए leaf बनाम go they help in vegetative propagation so these help function it helps in vegetative propagation it helps in vegetative propagation ये function है मिशन तो function ले कुछ अखरना solve on या अखरना तक मज़ करते कौन leaf नेरन यम leaf शासन त्रे नोट पर किसने राइस त्रे leaf ठीक
Yes, sir.
After leaf should doesn't modify into root-like structure. For example, leaf you doesn't modify into root-like structure. Go, you should am root-ish divan.
Yes, sir.
Go, achis one floating root. This is called as floating root. Wo should amish ya function amishan. The what as a yim should put leaf ya one side is a leaf asan true. Agar ye plant I say weak stem. For example, in plants having weak stem. Weak stem. Time satan kun satan leaf is true. Ye leaf quarboni given achvanan tender. In weak plants, the leaf gets modified into tendril. That's a leaf tendril. Leaf tendril. In some, in weak plants, even stem weak asan true, timan man susan kun, tim gasan rosan kya? Yes, a hold gasin tim kari hold kun asan chati. The time satan gasan kun leaf usan true, usan modify, change gasan, achbanan tendril. Kashi par kashana rot. Other rot. Go rot from your tendril. Ye tendril coil gasan toward a support. You should plants erect out. But that is called as leaf tendril. When satam sorry leaf gasan convert into tendril, when satam half leaf gasan. Yeah, when satam cancel plant, for example, pea plant, that means leaf gasan convert into tendril. Cancel plant and mazan true stipule में अगर तो याद है रात में stipule अगर तो याद है रात के lectures में known as stem asan true it's a leaf arise gasan true a small leaf like structure they are called as stipules. They are called as stipules. Yim stipules kun satan yes a modify gasan. Yim chi modify gasan the yim chi banaun tendril. ठीक यम बनाओ टेंडर या यम स्टिप्यूल्स कुन साथ मॉडिफाई गसन यम बनाओ लीफ लाइक स्ट्रक्चर कैस पपर लीफ गुम कन्वर्ट करनस टेंड्रिलस मस मिसाल के तौर पर पी प्लांट आसे उष्मत अगर तम स्टिप्यूल छु लीफ लाइक स्ट्रक्चर ना लीफ गसन कन्वर्ट इनटू टेंड्रिल कैस खुशी के सोजन इरेक्ट अदरवाइज सब फ्रूट पे पत्थर पेवन सु हेकन सपोर्ट फुली करितन गो तम साथ लीफ मॉडिफाई गसन tendrils मस तो स्टिप्यूल्स तम साथ करन एज लीफ लाइक स्ट्रक्चर carry on photosynthesis. So these are certain modifications the yim systems and leaf is true primary functional allowed additional functions ya secondary function karan. So this was all about leaf. Atmazan podas leaf kya go atmazan podas parts of leaf podas atmazan variation podas atmazan podas phyllotaxy. The back point regarding phyllotaxy going to add phyllotaxy. Phyllotaxy. This point what is the importance of phyllotaxy? Why there is different arrangement of leaves? Why there is different pattern of leaves? Yeah, why there is different phyllotaxy? Go phyllotaxy aim क्या कुछ साथ नहीं what is the aim of phyllotaxy? कुछ साथ देखिए entrances में जित क्या जैसे आर्टिस्ट में छुट्टी कितनी aim of phyllotaxy क्या aim of phyllotaxy चु it say exposes leaves towards sunlight for more and more photosynthesis. क्या phyllotaxy arrangement of leaf अगर arrangement बराबर ठीक ठाक पड़ा इसकी वो ये लेकिन expose sunlight को गस्तन किया वो photosynthesis के साथ काम गस्तन को देखिए the aim of phyllotaxy is to hold or keep leaves in such a manner that they get exposed towards sunlight, to keep leaves or hold leaves in such a manner that they get exposed towards sunlight and carry maximum photosynthesis in plants. कैसे कुछ साथ नहीं कि object ये क्या आपको साथ नहीं question है, ठीक? What is the aim of phyllotaxy? Guide mission. So this was all about leaf. Was section